Hey vegans and foodies, get ready to have your taste buds blown away because we're about to reveal 5 mouth-watering vegan dishes you'll wish you tried sooner. First up, vegan fried cauliflower. The crispy, golden brown coating and juicy, tender cauliflower make it a must-try for anyone who loves good food. Next on the list, we have the hearty vegan lentil soup. This soup is not only delicious, but also packed with protein and nutrients. Whether you prefer it spicy or savory, you're sure to fall in love with this dish. Third on the list, we have the vegan burger. But not just any burger, we're talking about a juicy, perfectly seasoned patty topped with all your favorite vegan fixings. Trust us, once you sink your teeth into one of these bad boys, you'll never go back to non-vegan burgers again. Fourth on the list, we have the sweet and indulgent vegan donut. These fluffy pastries are often coated in cinnamon sugar or glazed with a warm chocolate dipping sauce. It's the perfect dessert for any occasion. And last but not least, we have the vegan pad thai. This flavorful noodle dish is filled with tofu, crunchy vegetables, and a sweet and sour sauce. It's a comforting and flavorful meal that will leave you satisfied and happy. And there you have it, 5 delicious vegan foods you'll wish you tried sooner. Which one are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more mouth-watering vegan content.